Please keep it real and tell me how you feel. Would you still be around if my pockets wasn't filled? If I couldn't buy you everything you want, would you be my wife? Tell the truth, don't front. I need to know now, I can only ask once. Answer wrong, get tossed like yesterday's lunch. I see it in your eyes that you wanna be my queen. Question is, will you be loyal to your king forever? It's over, now I realize what I had and I can't get it back. That's the reason that I'm mad, stressing. Thoughts of you making me sick. We done, it wasn't supposed to happen like this. It's cool, time to read from a different page. Good luck with your life for the rest of your days. It's crazy, cause I thought you really knew better. That after this, man, it can't get no better. I'm open, she got my heart floating. Quit trying to find love till she hit me with a potion. Shorty so smooth, call her cocoa butter lotion. Make a family, me and her, yeah, I'm hoping. Feeling like Columbus when he sailed across the ocean. Seen baby on land, invaded, fast motion. Now we are one, stay shining bright like the sun. Love weighing on my heart like a ton, she the one. I didn't wanna leave, but I knew I had to. Despite the 5 years, my daughter in the tattoo. Cause things getting tough, tough as bamboo. Relationship heavy, I'm fighting with Shamu. It was all good, you know, hugs and smiles. Now we starting in the day with a fight and a frown. Good riddance, I'll call you when I'm coming around. And be on time every month with support for the child. Is it love, is it lust? I don't know, but I like it. The feeling is amazing, never felt nothing like it. She told me try love and I tried it. We head on collided and now I am blinded. Can cuss with affection, could this be perfection? Maybe not now, but we headed that direction. She smiled when I smile, my female reflection. Ease your boy pain and cut out the stressing. You will never find another love like this. Only 2 words describe this. So sick, only 1 word describes you. That's sweet, doing good on my own, but with you I'm complete. The others can't compete, so you turn the other cheek. I told you I was real, but you see that I'm unique. My love is like a dream, you can see it in your sleep. Stand tall through it all, something you can't defeat. Dream girl, where you at? I've been searching for a minute for a pretty princess to ride with the lieutenant. Till we old and gray, or we pass away. Set the trust fund up, set some cash away. Take trips to the bay, put the drama aside. Mama always on call and she ready to ride. Good girl, you can call her my better half. Keep the happy antidote whenever I'm feeling mad. Take a trip down Lover's Lane. I'm her Clark Kent for sure, she my Lois Lane. Flying high through the sky, the sparkle in her eye tells me why we together. She's one of a kind, my little lucky charm, looking good on my arm. Stay fly every day like she going to the prom. Drop the bomb on me, female Saddam. Got her right where I want, that's away from harm. It's picture perfect when we together. Not a cloud in the sky, just sunny weather. Now and forever, me and you through and through. Till the end of time, baby girl, what it do? I envisioned us walking down the aisle. Ear to ear smiles, head up, chest out. Feeling higher than the clouds. Number 1, I'm never letting you go. We planted this love seed, it's best to let it grow. We split, now I'm sick, saying not like this. Why she gotta go now? I really like this chick. I mean love her, can't spend another night like this. But we fight like this, cause I lie like this. That is your lipstick, I don't know that chick, but that is not my shade, is what she say. Now what love did live has moved away. Only thing I had good, shorty took it away. Mind right, body tight, love stuff that I like. Do anything for baby like you for a Klondike. Good looks, good job, good love she gives, I give it right back. This love is no secret, can't picture you leaving. If you did, I would stop breathing, believe him when I say I really love you. Through sickness and health, it's none above you. Kissing, hugging, fighting, fussing, it go hand in hand when you call yourself loving. It's never really easy as it seems, it can be a nightmare rather than a sweet dream, my sweet thing. Listen up, we've been through too much to let it go now when I'm in need of your touch. Now I'm missing you like the roof on the coupe. I lied when I said you wasn't the truth, and I lost. Beautiful you are, a moon amongst stars. Got my mind doing circles like a NASCAR, but I like it, my 08 sidekick. Your girls don't like it because you are my chick. Never had one like you, so vibrant. Stay flying high, you can be my co-pilot. Baby so sweet, innocent and silent. Ruler of my world, call shots like a tyrant. Hold hands, slow dance, romance, you like that? The feeling too strong, don't fight back. We on the right track, don't go astray. You got a love I don't wanna see go away. Baby, me and you taking long walks on the beach. So perfect, this love is elite. Never met a girl like you, so chic. Stay on my mind, feel your love in my sleep. Love letters and cute gifts, remember all that. Buying out stores, a pair of mall rats, new Jordans, me and you styling. $100 plates, Cristal by the gallon. Now I'm missing that face, and you at my place, trying to find a new you. Now I'm searching my space. Really wish we could take it back to the place we found love at, remember that? Can't take it anymore, all this playing around got the pressure building up, I feel like tearing you down from that pedestal you on. What happened to us? Every time I seen your face it used to give me a rush. Things change, really they are not the same. I get angry nowadays when I'm hearing your name. It's a shame, used to be my #1 dame, but now I see the light, yeah I'm hip to your games. I get a chick, I leave a chick like I don't need a chick. Just give me cash and my fam and I'm straight in this life. But now I feel I want a wife, know how to keep it hood but her attitude right. Cook a good meal, satisfy my appetite with a smile so bright, make morning out of night. Petite type, nice set of hips, 5'3", light skin, nickname Little Miss. We have conversations, but I'm never hating. I know you talk to other dudes, it's all pimpulation. You know I talk to other chicks, give them inspiration. Long as we both keep it real, same situation. But on the other hand, can't be your lover, man. Player running through my veins, baby, don't you understand? I won't trick on the diamonds and pearls, but you could be my diamond and really light up my world.